The tour shows us authentic Dubai experiences. Our guide Kitab was so nice, and so patient with us. He anticipated our needs to switch itinerary around for snacks as we were too full to eat at the start of the tour. He also takes care to warn us about the quality of goods at some stops so we have the right expectation when shopping. Our Old Town tour was an incredible journey through time. It began at Khayma Restaurant with a fascinating deep dive into the history of the UAE and specifically Dubai. Walking through the historical areas and seeing the traditional houses, beautifully preserved by the government, offered a real sense of heritage. The experience was very hands-on, with delicious coffee and snack tastings, followed by a classic Abra ride across the creek. The souks were a highlight. We ended up picking up some high-quality saffron and, of course, the famous Dubai chocolate. Our guide, Mr. Khan, was the star of the show. He was incredibly knowledgeable, polite, and respectful, answering all our questions with a smile. It was a thoroughly enjoyable day from start to finish. Tip: you'll be exploring a lot on foot, so definitely wear comfy shoes. Our guide Ahmed was knowledgeable and took good care of our group for this walking tour. We gained understanding of the history of Dubai and culture of the Arabic. We sampled dates, gawa, karak tea, samosa and other traditional snacks in this tour. The last stop was the Spice and Gold Souks where we could purchase some souvenirs back home at reasonable pricing. A special shout out to our old Dubai tour guide, Mahan. Handsome, knowledgeable, fluent in English, and incredibly engaging. He brought old Dubai to life so beautifully, even my 10-year-old was completely engrossed throughout. Solid work and a truly memorable experience. Highly recommended. Group size, 10 tents. Guide, 10 tents. Attractions on the way, 10 tents. Really enjoyed this walking tour with Hassan. He was really knowledgeable and gave us good information throughout the walking tour. The timing and pace of the tour was just nice. We'll definitely recommend this tour to everyone. The tour was a great way to experience Old Town Dubai. I didn't get the chance to visit it during my first trip, but this time it was truly a worthwhile experience. Our tour guide, Ibrahim, was very engaging and interactive, and did a great job showing us around and sharing insights along the way. My favorite part was the boat ride across the river to the souk on the other side. It was a really nice touch. We were also warmly welcomed by the staff at Khayma Heritage, which is one of my favorite Middle Eastern restaurants in Dubai. It rained quite heavily during our visit, but despite that, it's definitely something you should experience when you're in Dubai. Ahmed was incredibly knowledgeable. He shared the history of UAE and answered all questions from the group. Group size was comfortable and he constantly looked out for every single one of us. Walking pace was enjoyable and didn't felt like a rush.